Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download Instagram on Apple Watch. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you on how you can use Instagram by downloading Lens for Watch on your iOS device. So if you want to know how you can do that, just continue watching this video. So before downloading Lens for Watch app, ensure you've already paired your iPhone to your Apple Watch. So Lens for Watch has a free version, but some features are available only with its $1.99 Pro version. So the first step that you need to do after doing this is to download and install Lens for Watch on your iOS device, and then simply select open to launch the app. And then after that, just simply tap log into Instagram right here. So if you open the Lens for your watch app, you should be able to see this button right here that says log into Instagram. So just simply click on it. And then after that, enter your Instagram login info and select login. And then you'll be taken to Lens account screen. And then after that, just return to your Apple Watch and type or tap Lens from the app screen to launch the application. And after doing so, you should be able to use your watch or your Apple Watch and access your Instagram account. And so that's it for this video. That's how you can download or use Instagram to your Apple Watch. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.